What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I know I have been gone for almost a month now, but there's a very good reason for it, and that is because we just got a new house. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I am finally back, guys. I've been gone for about a month, and that's because of a very big reason you see behind me. That is right, guys. We just moved into a brand new house. That is loud. Now, before we get right to the video, guys, I do want to go ahead and say thank you to each and every one of you guys that continue to support the channel. Even though I haven't made as many videos in the last month or so, the channel still continues to grow, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much for the support. We're almost at 6K, if not already hit the 6K by the time this video gets uploaded. And that is amazing. Well on our way to hit that 10,000 subscriber goal. So I'm super happy, super excited. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't, make sure to hit the like button. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of my videos. Now that we've got the move-in almost finalized, we can finally get back to doing more videos, and the ZL1 is not here just yet, and that's what we're going to be doing today, guys. I still got a bunch of stuff to do. We were able to move in all our furniture and all that, but the garage, that's completely different. So today we're going to bring the ZL1 to its new home and give you guys kind of a little walk around of the new house for those of you that might be interested, and talk about the ZL1 plans, what we have coming up, so that you guys can make sure to get up to date and see what we do with the car, where it's at, and what the plans are. Now, the new house move was something very unexpected, guys. Didn't really plan on moving. If you're an OG subscriber, you know that I had a really big long driveway, and well, here it's not the case. But the biggest key for us car guys is this garage, which is about the same size, maybe a little tiny bit bigger than my other garage, actually is completely insulated. So the garage doors are completely insulated, sealed. They've got weather sealing around, and it's got an AC unit. So that's right, guys, we are finally gonna have an AC garage that we can work on the cars on and not have to be as sweaty, especially in these Houston summer months. The layout is a little different, but I was able to bring my toolbox, so that'll fit. I'll probably have my car parts, tires will be mounted here, and overall I think this is where my car stuff is going to be. I do have this pole, support pole here in the middle of the garage, which is not ideal, but I should be able to still get the car in here, do what I got to do, work on it, raise the car, and all that good stuff without any issues. The house does have a second floor, so this support pole here pretty much has to stay there. There's a room right on top of this garage. Now, this house is actually really nice. It was completely redone. It's not new to me, but it's got a lot of cool features. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house. Corner lot has got a nice landscaping setup, and the biggest feature of all, which I really like, guys, is that we actually have a pool now. So that is going to be awesome, perfect for when we have the family over, or when we just want to relax and enjoy after a stressful day. But anyways, guys, enough about the house. I know you guys probably don't care too much about the house. If you guys are interested, comment down below, let me know if you guys want to hear some more details about how I got this house and what the process was, because it's a very unique story, and maybe I'll tell it in the future. But comment down below, let me know if you'd like to see more of the house or get more details on the process or what happened, how I got a house out of nowhere. Comment down below and I'll gladly make a video in the future. But for now, let's go ahead and run over to the old house so that we can finally pick up the ZL1. I haven't started in about a week, so it'll be a true cold startup, and bring it back to its new home so that we can go ahead and talk to you guys about what the next steps are for the car, what I plan to do, what I've already got in the works, and what the goal is for that car. And just like that, we're back at a familiar site for you guys. This is of course where I did pretty much every single one of my intros from the very beginning. So if you're an OG, you remember this place very, very well. Loading up the truck with some final last things, but as you guys can see, the garage is still a mess. We've got the Camaro ZL1 here. The Camaro, as you guys can see, is still on the drag pack. We haven't really moved it since the last time we went out to the track. So today, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull this car out, put the stock Nitto NT 555Rs back on, put all that. I don't have all my tools since my toolbox is at the new house, so I won't be able to put the new seat in, but I'm gonna be doing that later. And of course, I've got a bunch of parts out here, guys. If you haven't already seen, I do have a full Joker's ported blower complete. I've got a Velocitech, I've got the Cordes front bumper ice tank mount, got some parts from Cordes, I've got the stainless Speed Engineering X pipe along with the bigger heat exchanger from Pro Speed. So yeah, I've got a lot of stuff. The headers are actually getting coated right now. I should be getting those back in about a couple days now. So really soon here, we're gonna be doing the headers. And I also found a bunch of my old SS parts, guys. So I have a stock intake manifold. I've got the stock wing from the Camaro SS in white, Summit White. I've got the factory 2019 rear diffuser, which is a little bit different from the 17 and 18s. They got a nice little vent on the side. Got stock springs, stock airbox, and also a stock throttle body. So got quite a bit of stuff. I'm probably gonna be putting this up for sale. If you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram should be in the description below. Let me know if you're local, that'd be much better. So if you're local here in Houston, I've got a few stock spare parts available. But anyways, I've got just a lot of work to do here. And today, we're just gonna get the Camaro back to the garage and let it see its brand new home and see how everything's gonna fit with the car in the garage. So let's go ahead and get you guys this cold startup. Man, it does sound really good, guys, even for being completely stock with the cats. I cannot wait to see what this is going to sound like once we get rid of the headers and do the Speed Engineer X pipe. Now, plates, I do finally have my plates. I finally got my plates. I just haven't put them on. So that'll be going on for sure here soon. But for now, guys, let's get the car out. Let's go ahead and get it prepped, change the wheels out, and head to its new home. And just like that, this thing is back on its street wheels. And guys, if you haven't seen my review on the Nitto NT 555R2s, definitely check it out. Really, really awesome. This car is, if you guys know or don't know, is tuned on E85 and Rotofab Big Gulp intake. That's about all it's got. And it makes pretty good power, has ran a best of a 10.6 at the track at about 129, 130, which is amazing for just 3 simple mods. And it still hooks and goes from a roll, from 50, any kind of roll with those Nittos in the back. Really, really impressed with those. Definitely recommend them for anybody looking for a street tire that is not gonna break loose on you guys and almost scare you every single time you try to punch it on the street. All right, so the Camaro is right here, and here's the AC, guys. And man, does it make a difference. It feels so much fresher in here. And as soon as you walk outside, it is hot and humid. Now, obviously, when we have that going, we probably don't want to have the doors open all the way, but that's okay because we have some fans there, and we'll add a few more lights there for when we're working on the Camaro. But man, did I miss this thing. Now let's go ahead and get it inside and see just how it's gonna fit. Well, it's finally in its new resting place, and unfortunately, obviously, because of this hole here, the door here is kind of limited. It's not going to be able to open, but I mean, we're never really getting passengers inside anyways. But it fits pretty well. We do have some extra space here, so we can still walk through this area here. So I just need to make sure that whatever I put here is maybe raised up so and not sticking all the way out. The door does get blocked in by the front of the car here, but you can still kind of open it and get to it. And there's quite a bit of space here. I can get in and out comfortably here. It goes out pretty wide, which is pretty good. And I'll probably just put like a foam rubber padding strip there where this is going to hit, so that if it does rest, like it's not going to hit or damage anything. But overall, there you have it, guys. The Camaro is back in its new resting place, and like I said, we have quite a few things coming to this car, so make sure to stick around. We've got the headers that we're going to pick up probably in a day or two. We've also got the header install. We got the trans tune still to come from Brett over at Prey, so that we can see what this thing will do with the transmission tuned on just the basic bolt-ons. I think this car can easily go in the low 10s, even just by adding the transmission tune, without any headers, without any of that. So again, we'll continually test this and show you guys in future videos. So with that being said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sorry for not making as many videos or posting recently, but as you guys can see, we've had quite a bit of stuff going on here with the Sosa household. So still, don't worry, the videos will continue to come, and we will be doing some amazing stuff with this ZL1. So make sure to stick around and subscribe if you haven't. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.